unang-una, nabasa natin na parang i-claim po nila or ilalagay po nila sa kanilang petition na that Mr. Duterte will not imperil proceedings if released. Mr. Duterte will not continue to commit crimes. So in one way or another, the council admitted that the former president, had committed such crimes. Just a question. Because they will include that in their motion or petition that Mr. Duterte will not continue to commit crimes. So may pag-amin ba rito? And anyway, if that's their strategy, sana lang po ay mapaniwala nila yung mga ICC judges at huwag nilang masabi later na ang kanilang mga pinangako, dahil may mga pangako sila sa kanilang sa petisyon, ay masabing nagbibiro lang sila. At tulad na nangyari sa pangako sa jet ski. Well, anyway, kanila pong strategy yan at hayaan na lang po natin ang ICC ang mag-determine kung sila ba ay paniniwalaan at kung mag-grant ang kanilang request for interim release.